here. Which one should I take first? Which one should I take first to make 2002? You all can see.
2 notes of 1,000.
2 notes of 1,000. So instead of this, I can have this as 2,000, right? I can take this 2,000. Yes. Now I need to make 2002. So how should I take? I will take this.
A coin of 2.
So where will I place this? Here. So we do not have for tens place. We don't have to use tens place and we don't have to use hundreds place. Now, for example, if I have to make 6,922. 6,922. How I am supposed to make 6,000? So I'll take a 6,000, right? And then what I'll take? Who will tell me? What should I take now? 6,922. What should I take? Rida?
A note of 900.
6,922.
A note of 20 and 9.
Sorry? And
A
then
note
I will
of
take
20 and
20
9.
and then
9.
9. So this becomes 6,929. Okay. Now let's take some other number. I have to make 5,523. So how should I take?
5,000.
I'll take 5,000. Then I'll take 500 and then 20 and then
3.
3. Understood?
Yes.